How much you know about lemon. Lemon, with its bright yellow skin and tart juicy interior, is a versatile fruit with a rich history and a multitude of uses. More than just a garnish for your favorite cocktail, lemons are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your diet and household. Fun fact of lemon. The term, lemon, is derived from the Persian word, limon. The yellow color of lemons comes from a pigment called limonene, which also contributes to the distinct citrusy aroma. In ancient Egypt, lemons were used in religious ceremonies and for medicinal purposes. Origins and varieties. Lemons are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, possibly northeastern India, over 2,500 years ago. There are several varieties of lemon each with slightly different characteristics. Some of its popular varieties are Lisbon, Eureka, Maya and the finger lime. Nutritional powerhouse, it is an excellent source of vitamin C, with just one fruit providing over 50% of the daily recommended value. In addition to vitamin C, lemons also contain a good amount of potassium. Culinary delights, lemons with their tangy flavor and refreshing aroma, are a staple ingredient in countless cuisines worldwide. Their zesty juice adds brightness and acidity to savory and sweet dishes alike. Here are some ways lemons can be enjoyed in the kitchen. Beverages. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is a classic addition to water, creating a refreshing and hydrating drink. It also forms the base of countless cocktails. Savory dishes. Lemon juice tenderizes meat, brightens marinades, and adds depth of flavor to sauces and dressings. From grilled fish to roasted vegetables, a squeeze of lemon elevates simple dishes. 3. Desserts. Lemon zest adds a vibrant citrus flavor to cakes, cookies, and pies. Lemon curd, a tart spread made with lemon juice, eggs, and sugar, is a delightful filling for pastries and tarts. Beyond the kitchen. Cleaning, the acidity of lemon juice makes it a natural cleaning agent. It can be used to disinfect surfaces, remove stains, and freshen up cutting boards. Beauty, the acidity of lemon juice makes it a natural cleaning agent. Lemon juice, used sparingly, can be used to lighten hair and brighten skin tone. It's crucial to do a patch test before applying it directly to your skin, and remember to always dilute it with water. Household deodorize, the fresh scent of lemons helps neutralize unpleasant odors. Cut a lemon in half and leave it in an open container to deodorize your fridge or living room. Selecting lemons, when choosing lemons, look for fruit that feels heavy for its size and has a smooth, firm rind. Avoid lemons with soft spots, discoloration, or wrinkles. Storing lemons, store lemons at room temperature for a few days or in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator for up to several weeks. With their bright flavor, nutritional benefits and diverse applications, they offer a refreshing and zesty way to enhance your life. So, next time you see a lemon in the store, don't hesitate to pick it up and explore its endless possibilities.